So in this video, I'm going to show you how you could go ahead and create your very own lo-fi YouTube channel that you can go ahead and monetize using AI. Not only that, but I'm also going to show you how you could go ahead and combine it with other money making methods. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, I'll show you on how you could go ahead and make your very own lo-fi channel. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. But first of all, let's go ahead and look at this channel right here. This is one of the most popular lo-fi channels out there, and as you can see, she is almost at 14 million followers. All they do is post simple lo-fi beats with a background image, and they are not the only lo-fi channels that being this successful. Let's go ahead and look at this social blade right here. As you could go ahead and see, her channel has been earning around 100k per month, and I could go ahead and tell you this, I think she is earning a lot more. But let's go ahead and look at this another channel right here. So this channel does the same thing right here, where it has over 3.2 million followers, and as you could go ahead and see, it is kinda like the same thing. The only thing that is changing here is the image, the music, and the title, and that's it. This type of videos are very easy to generate, and now with AI tools it's even easier. So let's go ahead and look at this channel social blade right here, and as you could go ahead and see, with this type of videos, you could be potentially earning $10,000 per month passively. So you can still go ahead and make a lot of money with these videos even though you're not making new videos at all, because this type of videos is the type of videos that people will go back into if they want to listen to music. So when you go ahead and make videos like this, you could go ahead and earn passive income that can go ahead and generate you a lot of money. So first things first, we have to go ahead and create our very own art for our videos and for our channel banner, and also for our channel profile picture. You could go ahead and use tools like Midjourney, but if you want to go ahead and use something for free, just go ahead and use Leonardo AI. What sets Leonardo AI apart is that it gives us a commercial license for each generated image, allowing us to monetize our channel. So right here, once you go ahead and log in, you will go ahead and see the recent creation of other users. So for example, I want to go ahead and generate a similar image like this one, so I'll just go ahead and click on it. Just go ahead and copy the prompt right here, the negative prompt, the other properties like input resolution, pipeline, preset, and more. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and make my very own photo. And in order to do that, just go ahead and click image generation right here, right under user tools. When you go ahead and click it, you will be presented with this page where you could go ahead and make your very own image. So right here, I'll just go ahead and use this prompt. A girl reading in a window besides a cat in the style of 2D game art, scene style, 50D Nightcore, rendered amber, and all of the other presets right here. Just go ahead and scroll down until you find the advanced controls, and make sure to go ahead and choose 16:9 to go ahead and generate a horizontal photo. And after that, make sure to go ahead and also change the fine-tune model right here, because this will go ahead and entirely change your art style. So for example, if I want to go ahead and make something like animal pastel dream, I'll just go ahead and click on this fine-tune model right here and just go ahead and click on generate. But if you want to go ahead and try another style, like maybe Albedo Base XL, just go ahead and click your style and just go ahead and click on generate. So this is the images that I have. For the first one, we have the Albedo Base XL. So this turns out really awesome. As you could go ahead and see, feel free to choose any photos that you have gathered. So that's the first image, and this is the second image. And we also have our animal pastel dream right here, and I think this is really something unique with this style. This is the first image and this is the second image. So I actually generated additional images right here. This is for the Albedo Base XL, and this is for the animal pastel dream. And once you have chosen your image, just go ahead and click your preferred image right here. For example, I want to go ahead and download this one, so I'll just go ahead and click on it and just go ahead and click download image. So for our second step, this is the step where we can go ahead and actually make our content, and that is our music. So let's just go ahead and go to this site right here called Moobert, And once you're here, you will be presented with their plans. For example, you have your free plan right here where it has the features of NFT soundtrack. If you're just starting out, I think you could just go ahead and stick with the free model, and once you go ahead and actually start gaining followers or subscribers, you could start to go ahead and avail their creator plan, pro plan, and business plan. So to get started, just go ahead and click on the get started button and just go ahead and log in with your account. You could go ahead and use Google with this one, or you could go ahead and use Facebook. And once here, you can now go ahead and create your track. So first things first, we have our prompt right here, or you could just go ahead and choose your genre. Let's just go ahead and click on genre right here and go ahead and click hip hop and LOFI. Go ahead and select the set type. Just go ahead and stay on track if you want to, or you could go ahead and make it into a loop. But since we are editing our own videos, you could just go ahead and leave this at track. And of course, you have the set duration. I'll go ahead and make my duration 3 minutes and 45 seconds. After that, just go ahead and click on generate track and it should go ahead and generate right in. So as you can go ahead and see, with just 3 clicks of a button, we have managed to generate our very own lo-fi track. And this is the result that we got. The only thing left to do now is to put our music and photo all together. So before we put our music and our image together, let's go ahead and enhance our image first. Just go ahead and proceed to Canva, go ahead and search for YouTube thumbnail. Go ahead and upload your photo, and this is where we could go ahead and enhance our image. For example, let's just go ahead and put a text right here. Just go ahead and click on text, and after that, just go ahead and insert your text. For example, you could go ahead and choose at any presets that we have right here. For this tutorial, I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this one, insert coin, or maybe let's just go ahead and choose this one because this fits our image. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and type right here. So this is my study playlist, and of course you could still go ahead and type the username of your YouTube right here, but I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. So this step is actually very easy. Just go ahead and locate your file, the soundtrack, and also the image. Just go ahead and drag them inside our CapCut right here. And as you could go ahead and see, this is our image and this is our lo-fi track right here. Just go ahead and extend your image like this one. And if you want to go ahead and make a playlist, just go ahead and extend the image and just go ahead and add the additional soundtrack right here. And using CapCut is very easy. You could also go ahead and add effects right here. For example, if I want to go ahead and add effects like rain, I'll just go ahead and type rain right here. Or if you want to go ahead and add another effect, for example, we have glow hearts right here, I'll just go ahead and insert luminance inside my image right here. And as you could go ahead and see, we have managed to edit our image by just dragging this effect. And if you're done, just go ahead and click on export and just go ahead and adjust your settings right here. You have your resolution, bitrate, codec, format, and frame rate. And once again, you must go ahead and stay consistent in order to get monetized on YouTube. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.